Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view your referral code in GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. Look for the Refer Friends option within the app. In the Referral Program section, you will see several ways to share your referral link. These methods include Messenger, SMS, QR code, and more options. You can choose any of these methods to share your referral code with friends or family. When someone signs up using your referral code, you will earn a commission as a reward for bringing new users to GCash. This is a great way to benefit from sharing the app with others. Make sure to keep track of how many people sign up using your code so you can maximize your earnings through referrals. So that's basically how you can view your referral code in GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.